Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then we can enter the Play Store, so let's tap on it. Right now we have to enter more and we can do it just by tapping on this 3 bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all updates pending, so obviously you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button Update All, but if you'd like to update only one of it or 2 of them, just like you want, just find it in the list, for example the Gmail, and tap on Update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but we can see it at the very top of the list. Right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.